Hello guys, so today we shall be discussing the introductory part about cutaneous mycosis. Okay, so we shall be and obviously there is no conceptual part as we have discussed in case of bacteriology, right? So but anyways, entire microbiology is completely most of the microbiology is just the memory part, but somehow we made it easy the bacteriology part. But when it comes to the mycology, the parasitology and all, so there are things you just have to memorize it. Okay, so but anyways I'll be discussing them in detail with conceptually anyways. So we shall be focusing now on the mycology part, right? So in the mycology part we shall be focusing now on the mycology part. Okay, now in this mycology part, the first topic which we shall be discussing, that would be cutaneous mycosis. What is that? Cutaneous mycosis. Now pay attention, because this information which I am giving to you will be more than enough, right, for your exams, right? So when it comes to the cutaneous mycosis, the first important thing you need to know is that within this cutaneous mycosis means the fungus that is affecting the skin. Okay, so fungal infections of skin, simply called as fungal infections of skin. Okay, now within this cutaneous mycosis, the important things we have to discuss is, the first important pathogen which we discuss in cutaneous mycosis will be Tinea. Tinea. Okay, now what is this Tinea? What is this Tinea? Tinea is nothing but called as a dermatophyte. Tinea is called as a dermatophyte. Now when I tell dermatophyte, what is that? So any kind of fungi which resides on the skin and causes infection on the skin, or simply any fungi that lies on the skin. See, that type of fungi which will grow only by eating keratin is called as dermatophyte. So your skin, everywhere there is keratin, right? So this fungus loves that keratin, so obviously this fungus will reside, it will stay on the skin and start eating the skin keratin, and it grows and cause infections of the skin. Okay, so that is the meaning of a dermatophyte. So what is the meaning of a dermatophyte? For a note, so this is the fungi that grows on the skin. That grows on the skin. How does it grow on the skin? By eating what? By eating keratin. So the main food source would be, main source of food for this fungi will be what? Keratin. So it grows by eating this keratin, right? So obviously it would cause infections there, isn't it? It would cause definitely some kind of infections. So these are called as cutaneous fungal infections. So these infections are called as cutaneous fungal infections. I hope till here everything is easy, right? So these infections are called as cutaneous fungal infections. Now there are three types of dermatophytes. Okay, there are three types of dermatophytes. What are the three types of dermatophytes? Dermatophyte. Now let me put up the heading over here. As I have already told you, there are three different types of dermatophytes. What are these three different types of dermatophytes? Now one is called as Microsporum. One is called as Microsporum. Another one is called as Trichophyton. Trichophyton. And the last one is called as Epidermophyton. The last one is called as Epidermophyton. So three of them, one is called as Microsporum, Trichophyton and Epidermophyton, right? Now whatever it is, what you basically do is that to look at this fungi, if you wanted to look at this fungi, you need to scrape the skin. So after that scraping, whatever you have done, take that material, put on a slide and add KOH to that. Okay, now what you do is that you scrap it, and after that you do a particular test called as KOH preparation test. Okay, so on KOH preparation, On the KOH preparation, what you do is that you add a fungal stain. Okay, that is called as a blue fungal stain. So what do you add on this KOH preparation? You add a blue fungal stain. So after adding this blue fungal stain, right, so what you have done the scrapings, because these dermatophytes, they mainly reside on your skin. So you have done the scrapings, you have added, put on the slide, you have taken it, you have added KOH and a blue color stain. Now you are looking it under the microscope. Under the microscope, what is the structure of a dermatophyte? Under the microscope, you would find that this dermatophyte, obviously it is a fungus. Fungus will have what? Fungus will have hyphae, right? And they will have branches also. So you would find a branching hyphae. It means simply like this, you would find some branching hyphae like this, right? So on KOH preparation with blue fungal stain, you would find a branching hyphae. A branching hyphae, and these branching hyphae are septate. Septate means there are septa in between like this. Okay, there are septa in between. For example, if let us say this is a hyphae like this, whatever I'm drawing it, let us say this is a hyphae. Okay, now there are septa in between like this, like a step ladder pattern. Okay, there are septa. This is called septate. Why it is important? Because there are some fungi which are non-septate. Okay, septate. So this is what you would find. So let me show you a picture of that, guys. Right, so you can see what is the color. First of all, it is a blue color because we have used a blue fungal stain, isn't it? We have used a blue fungal stain. And what is this preparation called? This is called as KOH preparation. This is called as KOH preparation. Okay, KOH preparation. Now on this you would find hyphae, isn't it? You see all these reticular like things, these are nothing but called as hyphae, which are branched. Obviously, see, you can very clearly see they are branched, right? So this is all regarding the introductory part of the cutaneous mycosis, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Goodbye.